Today, we're unveiling 7 essential foods that might be missing from your plate, but are crucial for revitalizing your kidneys. Join us as we explore these culinary game changers that can transform your health in ways you never imagined. Kidney-related issues affect millions globally, often going unnoticed until they become severe. The role of diet in kidney health is frequently underestimated, leading to a lack of awareness about how our food choices impact these vital organs. In this segment, we'll delve into why paying attention to what we eat is not just about nutrition, but is a critical aspect of safeguarding our kidney health. A common kitchen ingredient with extraordinary powers for your kidneys is garlic. Beyond enhancing flavor, garlic is a powerhouse for kidney health. It acts as a natural diuretic, aiding in the elimination of excess sodium and toxins. Garlic's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities reduce oxidative stress, a key factor in kidney disease. Incorporating garlic into your diet is easy and delicious. Consume it raw or lightly cooked for maximum benefits. Moving on to flax seeds, these tiny yet mighty seeds have been a staple in human diets for thousands of years. Packed with alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid, flax seeds reduce inflammation, a common culprit in kidney diseases. High in lignans and fiber, flax seeds aid in detoxification and support healthy kidney function. Sprinkle ground flax seeds over your meals, or try a flaxseed chia pudding for a nutritious twist. Now, let's shine a spotlight on 3 underestimated heroes in the world of kidney health: onions, beetroot, and bitter melon. Rich in sulfur compounds, onions detoxify the kidneys and reduce inflammation. Beetroot's high nitrate content converts into nitric oxide, aiding blood vessel health and blood pressure regulation. Bitter melon, though sharp in taste, is a powerhouse for kidney health, especially beneficial for those with diabetes-related kidney issues. As we embrace the era of superfoods, one particular food has risen to fame: the versatile and nutrient-packed carrot. Despite misconceptions about its sugar content, carrots are rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, crucial for preventing chronic kidney disease. Now, the ultimate kidney healer: cranberries. Beyond preventing urinary tract infections, cranberries are rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation and prevent kidney stone formation. Incorporating these foods into your diet can significantly contribute to improved kidney function and overall health. Remember to maintain a balanced diet, paying attention to portion sizes. Small changes in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your health. Consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice, especially if you have existing health conditions. The power to improve your kidney health lies in your hands, or more accurately, on your plate. By making mindful choices about what you eat, you can actively support and enhance the health of your kidneys. Embrace these foods, experiment with new recipes, and enjoy the journey to better kidney health. We would love to hear from you. Have you tried incorporating any of these foods into your diet for kidney health? Do you have any recipes or tips to share? Your insights could be incredibly valuable to others in our community looking to improve their kidney health. If you found this video helpful and would like to discover more ways to enhance your health, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, click right here to watch this next video and continue your journey to well-being.